What's going on, everyone? I am Nathen Mixon, and in this video we are going to do a full body workout. Now with that being said, a full body workout is going to be perfect for lowering your time commitment by also helping you maximize your recovery rate. Let's get started. Alright, so a half burpee, you're going to start off in that push-up position. You're going to hop to your feet, bring your hands up to your chest. Make sure your feet are a little bit more than double shoulder width apart. This is going to be an excellent workout for your shoulders, chest, legs, and core. Repeat this workout as quick as possible, long as you're controlled. Alright, the archer push-up is going to take a higher percentage of your own body weight with one arm, but it's going to allow you to be assisted slightly by the other arm. It's going to definitely work the chest and also that core. Keep your hands spread out to the left and also to the right. Looking good. 5 seconds left. Alright, the crisscross burpee is going to help with your coordination. So you're going to cross one leg over the left leg and the other leg over the right leg, jumping into a burpee. This workout is ideal for your glutes and also your hamstrings too as well. Alright, so now we have the lateral lunge. We're lunging to the right hand side. With a lateral lunge, you're going to get double shoulder width apart. This workout is going to be great for not only your inner thighs, but also your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Bring your leg up as high as possible to get that core in there. Halfway point, breathe through this exercise. Alright, so we're going to the other side now. Same concept is going to apply. Make sure you get high up on that leg. That's where you're going to engage the core too at the same time. Touch the ground if you can. Side lunge is going to help you develop balance and also stability along with strength. 10 seconds left. Switch squats. This is going to help you build endurance. You're going to come from a shoulder width stance all the way down to a double shoulder width stance. Make sure you reach your hand to that toe. Exhale as you push yourself back to the start position. 10 seconds left. Four count mountain climber with a push-up. This is going to be good for building up endurance. It's going to help increase your shoulder strength, tricep strength, also your core too as well, along with your chest. It's a full body workout. Halfway there. Keep pushing through it. Split squats. This is going to be a lower body exercise. It's going to strengthen the muscles in the legs, including the squats, or the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and also your calves. Halfway point, breathe through this exercise.